Welcome to Hydroponics Lab. So today we will discuss hydroponic nutrients. How do we give nutrients to the plant? So that we discuss. Basically, there is a two container here. This is called solution A and solution B, and this is a water what we have. So what we do, we take solution A and solution B and we will put onto the water. That means again we will mix. So this water will be served to the plants. So let us discuss how do we do it. So solution A has many combination of nutrients. Solution B has many combination of nutrients. So by these two will be imported here. So how do we will take, so there is a measurement over here. So you can see that there is a measurement 15 ml, 30 ml, 60 ml. So what we do, we will take from solution A, likewise this is how we will take it and we will measure. So how much quantity it should be there. So according to the plant growth, so we will check whether how much ml is required. So how much ml and what combination, everything we will teach in the training. So this is just a demo. How do we mix the nutrients to the water and how we give it to the plants. So this is how it is there. So what we do, I have just a demo purpose, I have taken some small quantity. Okay, I'll just be putting here, and then we will take solution 2. Okay, solution 2, this is solution B, what we call as. So we will take this. Again we have to measure, the both solution has to have the same combinations. So we have to see the ml, how much ml it is required. So now again it is put onto the water. So now we have taken solution A and solution B. So now we have put onto the water. So what we do, so we will take the jug and then we will mix like this. Can you able to see? So whatever we have put these two nutrients, so it has to be mixed thoroughly because it has to dissolve all the nutrients. Now this water is ready with all the nutrients required for the plants. So the one most important is that we have to check the pH. So pH is most important. So we will check the pH of this mixed nutrients what we have. So I would request, before putting onto the plants, before giving a irrigation to the plants, please check the pH and then serve it. So what I do is, I have mixed thoroughly. So I take this, takes small amount of water and then check the pH. So we have to on, then we will be going to check the pH. Now it is showing pH of 7.3. Actually it is showing 7.3, 7.2 as you can see. So what we have to do, we have to put the pH management and then we have to reduce it to 6 because the plant requires 5.5 to 6.5. So that is a recommended pH for the plants. So what we do, so we will manage the pH and then bring into 6 pH and then serve to the plants. So this is a nitric acid. So what we do is, if you put this nitric acid into the water, so this will reduce the pH. So what we do is, just take a small. So now I have just put on. So can you able to see? Yes. So what we have done, we have put nitric acid. Then what we do, again we have thoroughly mix it well, because it generally it will take time to dilute accordingly. So mix it well. Okay, now we have mixed with nitric acid, and then again we will check the pH. What is the pH? So here again we will check the pH. Now the pH, it is showing 6.3. So approximately 6.3 is well. Now still little more has to come down. So because just now we have mixed, if you thoroughly mixed now, so again it will show you the 6. So 6 is the highly recommended pH. So we have done with this pH management. Now this water is ready for the plants. So whatever we are going here, we can take this and we can container, we can put this. There is a water nutrients tank will be there, so we will go and serve this. So this is how we do pH management in the water, and also we add nutrients.